With the 2018 Compass, this vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.